About this item, MT-VIKI MT-SP102, HDMI splitter 1 in 2 out allows 2 monitors to share one HDMI source at 4K HD video quality. Important note, just mirror/duplicate, cannot extended or split, output the same display into 2 monitors. HDMI splitter dual monitors supports 4K x 2K at 30 Hz, 1080p at 60 Hz, 720p at 60 Hz, frequency rate at 10.2 Gbp, compatible with HDMI 1.4/1.3/1.2, support HDCP 1.4. Plug and play. It can't work for HDMI 2.0/2.1. This 4K 1x2 HDMI splitter supports distance up to 110 feet, 50 feet from splitter to monitor, 60 feet to PC/PS4, and daisy chain for more monitors. Heavy metal shell for heat dissipation. 4K power HDMI splitter suitable for most devices with standard HDMI interface. Input: computer, Xbox One, PS3, PS4 Pro, Fire Stick, Blu-ray DVD player, Roku, etc. Output: full HD TVs, monitors, etc. 2/4/8/16 port HDMI splitter and 6/10 feet HDMI cable are available. If require PLS, check below description page. MT-VIKI provides 2 years warranty. In the description to get this product today.